You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that gets a lot of people confused. Yes, because there are indeed two different pronunciations. The British English pronunciation is usually pronounced in the UK as pecan. Alright, so you have P and then can, and the stress is on the first syllable, pecan. Now the Americans don't say pecan, they say pecan. So you have a P sound, pecan, and a long an sound, a stress on the second syllable here. So yes, there is indeed two different ways of pronouncing it. Pecan or pecan. Where are you from and how do you pronounce it? What is your pronunciation? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.